My name is Jade Mathieson and I am a game designer. I work at Sea Monster Entertainment, which is an animation and games studio in Cape Town. Game designer's job is much more than just coming up with good ideas for games and interactive experiences. Interactive design and game design is storytelling in a different form, so some people come at it from a narrative background as well. So when I was in high school, I definitely had a passion towards my artistic subjects. So I did that, but I was also quite strong in technical subjects like maths and science. I actually studied film at AFTA, so I've got a Bachelor of Arts degree. My majors were animation and screenwriting. Then I realized that even just being able to think technically in an artistic field is very, very rare and quite valuable. And I then moved more towards games, which is, you need to be able to talk to people who are doing the programming and the artists and the animators who are doing all the creative work. So being able to sit somewhere in between actually used all of those skill sets. So the one project that I worked on was the game Choma, which was for an HIV awareness NGO, where they're a company that's trying to help in the fight against AIDS by getting people to talk around the issues and raise awareness about things like sugar daddies and alcohol abuse and drugs and how they can all lead to the kind of behaviour that can land you up getting HIV. So what we did was then we had to really think about it. It's not creating a game that's just for fun. That kind of project's known as a serious game. So it's something that people will engage with for fun, but they'll actually learn something serious from it. My average day involves all sorts of different tasks. A lot of it is writing up proposals and pitching ideas to different types of people that might pay for games to be made. And I also spend quite a lot of time looking at other games that are out there. You're only as good as the references that you have in your head. Game design is a process that can stretch on indefinitely if you let it, so we have to be quite strict in the sort of process that we follow. The programmers will create the code that helps the game function. The animators and the artists will create all of the visual assets, designing characters and levels and backgrounds and all the rest. You need to be flexible, you need to be able to have other skills so that while you're teaching yourself to become a game designer, you can still feed yourself, because that's what you need from a career. But as long as you aren't shy of networking or doing what needs to be done, then there are definitely opportunities for you.